My name is Sean Patterson, and today I'm joined by fellow SEMrush and social media expert, Chris Wyatt of Prague-based Euro Digital Partners. Hi, Chris.
Hi, Sean. Happy to be here.
This course has two objectives. First, to acquaint you with the SEMrush tools that make PPC specialists' lives easier.
Second, obtain the information needed to prove your knowledge to get your SEMrush certificate.
SEMrush expands your capabilities and provides you with a broad number of tools designed to simplify your daily workflow.
The all-in-one software suite is for digital marketers, whether occupied with search engine optimization, content marketing, social media, PPC market analysis, or public relations. You can use your SEMrush to not only conduct analytical research, but also launch a project to learn everything about your ongoing digital marketing campaigns.
In this course, we will learn how to solve the following tasks with the help of SEMrush tools. Task 1. Understand your competition and see how your competitors are running their paid campaigns. Task 2. Perform your keyword research for use in your paid search campaigns. Task 3. Create your ads relying on your competitors' ads analysis and managing your keywords.
We encourage PPC marketers to prove their SEMrush knowledge. Everyone can take the SEMrush for PPC Specialist exam at the end of this course to become certified. This course, as well as practice with SEMrush tools, will help you successfully prepare for the exam.
So stay tuned, enjoy the course, and enjoy SEMrush.